Hi there, 412 partners. Coming into this year, we feel like God is wanting to revive, remind, and restore some foundational values in His church. In light of this, Ryan Kingsley and I will be leading a 412 Ignite Prayer Equip running on the 11th and the 12th of March. If you feel like this is an area of need or lack in your church or in your life, and you feel this value needs to be strengthened once again, this is a great opportunity for you to come and join and be equipped and allow the Holy Spirit to ignite that flame of prayer. This prayer equip will be live streamed on our 412 Global YouTube page, and this event will be made available on a later stage to be used as a resource for you and your church. We are so excited for our time together, and we can't wait to see you there.